Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Craft-ideaz. So at first I want to thank each and everyone who has supported me a lot guys, because just for you guys today we are 5k family. Yes, we are 5k family, and thank you so much really for this much support and love. So yeah, today's video is 5k special video, or you could say friendship day special video also. Actually yeah, today I'm gonna sharing with you a beautiful mini explosion box for friendship day, and all the measurements I will mention on the screen and on the description box, so don't forget to check it out. So yeah, it's super easy, you could make it. Definitely just follow this video guys, and the best part is only few things you need to make this. Okay, so already you have these things, or you can buy it from any local shop. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Enjoy the video.
Side. Maybe we cross the line. Oh, you would make me cry. And I know you know all the things that made us. My feelings for you don't go. And I know you know all the things that broke us. I still have to let you go. Take my hand and follow me. Out of you in my fantasy. Something cool, just something sweet. Follow you in my fantasy. I'll be there, you'll be with me. A place for me, a place to be. All of you in my fantasy. Looking on my back and you are still the same. I try to figure out why you can't tell us stay. And I know you know all the things that made us. My feelings for you don't go. And I know you know all the things that broke us. I still have to let you go. Take my hand and follow me. Out of you in my fantasy. Something cool, just something sweet. Follow you in my fantasy. I'll be there, you'll be with me. Out of you in my fantasy. A place for me, a place to be. All of you in my fantasy. Side. Maybe we cross the line. Oh, you would make me cry. And I know you know all the things that made us. My feelings for you don't go. And I know you know all the things that broke us. I still have to let you go. Take my hand and follow me. Out of you in my fantasy. Something cool, just something sweet. Follow you in my fantasy. I'll be there, you'll be with me. Out of you in my fantasy, a place looking on my back and you are still the same. I'm trying to figure out why you can tell.
So yeah, our cute box is ready, and you can write something, you can attach some photos also, whatever you want, and you can decorate also as you want. So yeah, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Wait for the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.
Just so